Atlanta Electricals shares made a decent market debut, stock lists at 14% premium. Atlanta Electricals sold its shares in the price band of Rs 718 to 754 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 19 shares and its multiples to raise 687.34 crore rupees between September 22 to 24. Ganesh Consumer Products shares make a flop market debut, stock lists at 8% discount. Ganesh Consumer Products sold its shares in the price band of Rs 306 to 322 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 46 shares and its multiples to raise 408.80 crore rupees between September 22 to 24. OM Freight Forwarders IPO kicks off, is it worth subscription? OM Freight Forwarders is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 128 to 135 apiece, applied for a minimum of 111 shares and its multiples to raise 122.31 crore rupees between 29 September and 1 October. Fabtech Technologies IPO opens today, should you subscribe to it? Fabtech Technologies is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 181 to 191 apiece, applied for a minimum of 75 shares and its multiples to raise 230.35 crore rupees between 29 September and 1 October. Glottis IPO kicks off today, should you subscribe to this issue? Glottis is selling its shares in the price band of Rs 120 to 129 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 114 shares and its multiples to raise 307 crore rupees between 29 September and 1 October. WeWork India IPO to open on 3 October, check price band, issue size and other key details. Co-working major WeWork India will open its initial public offering, IPO, for subscription on Friday, 3 October and will close on Tuesday, 8 October. Co-working major WeWork India will open its initial public offering, IPO, for subscription on Friday, 3 October, with a price band of 615 rupees to 648 rupees per share. They issue a pure offer for sale, OFS, aims to raise between 2,847 crore rupees and 3,000 crore rupees. Retail investors can bid for a minimum lot of 23 shares, amounting to 14,904 rupees per lot. Jan Resources Recycling IPO, check allotment status, latest GMP and listing date. Jan Resource Recycling sold its shares in the price band of Rs 220 to 232 apiece, which could be applied for a minimum of 64 shares and its multiples to raise 1,250 crore rupees between September 24 to 26. Shares of the company shall be listed on both BSE and NSE on Wednesday, 1 October. RD Industries files DRHP with SEBI to launch IPO, check details here. The initial public offering, IPO, consists of a fresh issue amounting to 320 crores rupees and an offer for sale of up to 37,650,000 equity shares, each with a face value of 2 rupees. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.